How to change money from Amazon Pay to bank account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change money from Amazon Pay to bank account. First, open the Amazon app. Next, go to the Amazon Pay section. To transfer money to your bank account, select Send Money. Now select the To Bank option and enter the bank details. Then, tap the Pay Now button and choose Amazon Pay Balance as the wallet for payment. After that, click to proceed. The Amazon Pay balance will now be transferred to the chosen bank account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.